Today we are going to draw a cow in very easy way. To draw this, we can take a circle, yes, a oval, and some straight lines. Hmm. We can't forget about its tail. Next, we have to establish its face with ears and horns. Is he crying? Okay, let it be. We can apply some dots with black markers on its whole body. You can take this part with black color also, but I prefer my black marker. Yes, it's all about its nostrils. It was not crying, thanks God. Okay, done. Let's start with pink. Oh, baby pink. We'll apply off-white on its face. Next, we can apply yellow on its whole body. But gently. Next, we'll apply a different yellow. Because it enhances its beauty, and only one color is boring. What about its leg? Yes, burnt sienna. Oh, the cow is so much colorful. Great. Maybe it's ready for grazing. Okay, I'll let him go.